Four contenders are about to turn this supermarket into a speedway. Let's meet them. First up, Shane Miller, a corporate chef specializing in Cajun cuisine all the way from Houston, Texas. Next up, Daniel Vercher, an executive chef and father of three, also from Houston, Texas. What's going on? God! And then there's Christina White, a pastry chef and bride-to-be from Valencia, California. There you go. And finally, Keanya Jeffries, a cordon bleu grad and caterer from Gardena, California. I want to start with something that's in every chef's repertoire, and that's an Italian feast. That's it. It could be pizza, pasta, a classic meat dish, all of the above, you name it. I don't care as long as it's molto bene. Chefs, are you ready?
Ready.
Great. To your carts. Name of the game is Can-Can.
What the hell is can-can?
Everything, and I mean everything, has to come out of a can. Italian feast. The judges are hungry. Game one, Triple G. We're going in 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah!
They're on.
I can't believe this, Ken. I'm making a crab and salmon meatball with pomodoro sauce and black-eyed peas.
The first thing I grab are beans. And then I start thinking, I'm gonna go minestrone soup.
Beans, beans, beans. Good for your heart. The more you eat, the more I'm not gonna say that.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm not afraid of anything. I'm never gonna let you see me sweat.
So I'm standing on the canned food aisle and I'm completely stumped. Come on. It is very limiting to work with only cans.
Attention Flavortown shoppers, please know that you are able to choose one item out of aisle 9, one item out of aisle 9, and also one herb from the fresh produce department for your can-tastic meal. 3 minutes.
Christina used fried basil. It's a really great twist on the fresh that we are probably used to in Italian cooking.
I realized I needed a few more ingredients for my ragu. And so I grabbed some artichoke hearts because I want to throw those into my dish to bulken it up a little because this is a feast.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. All right, chefs, thank you very much. Chef Q, please.
Yes, sir.
You're the one that found the pasta in aisle 9.
Found the
Tell
pasta.
everybody about it.
What I have for you is a cheese ravioli pasta with spinach and mushrooms.
Next up, Chef Christina.
What I have for you today is a rendered pepperoni ragu.
Next up will be the wild man in pink, Chef Daniel. Chef, what do you have for us?
I wanted to elevate these canned goods. I just didn't want to throw them in a pot and mix them all. So I took some crab meat and salmon and mixed that with some banana peppers and made like you a crab meat and salmon meatball, Italian meatball. And then I made a Italian pomodoro sauce to go with the meatball.
On now, Chef Shane. Chef, what do you got for us?
I got for you guys minestrone soup. Classic Italian, straight up rustic minestrone soup.
Can-Can is probably one of the most difficult challenges that we have on Guys Grocery Games. Unfortunately, one of you has to check out. Judges have made their decision. Q, I am so sorry. Next challenge, you are gonna make something almost everybody loves. You're gonna make an all-American classic, the ultimate hot dog.
I'm feeling excited about this one. Ultimate hot dog, everybody loves hot dogs. You can do so many things with it.
And we're going in 3, 2, oh, hang on. One little thing.
I knew it was too easy.
What?
Come on, guys, come on.
This game is called Closing Time.
Oh,
Okay?
I don't even know what it is and it sounds bad.
Sounds so bad.
It's awesome though. You will have 2 minutes to shop, to grab everything you need to get the super hot dog, to blow these judges away. But the great thing is, Christina, you get an extra 15 seconds.
Sweet. I'm so excited I have this advantage. I'm definitely gonna kill it.
We're going in 3, 2, 1. Go, Christina. There's her extra 15 seconds. You boys better think about where you're going.
My inspiration for my hot dog is something that I cook with my fiance all the time. And that's a Mexican-style bacon-wrapped hot dog with pepper jack cheese in it. He loves them.
So I'm making a hot dog out of lamb, ground beef, and bacon. Elevate this baby up. I grabbed some pickles, hot sauce, mayonnaise, and chives for a scratch-made relish.
So I'm making a chili cheese char dog with cilantro dusted home fries and a spicy ranch sauce.
4 minutes to go.
I want the bread to be a crispy bun. I wanted to mark those buns so that they had a little bit of crispness to them.
That's rocking right there, dude.
A dog with good snap, soft gooey bun, that's a perfect hot dog. Leave them in the bag, throw them in the microwave, 30 seconds, perfect soft hot dog buns.
1 minute.
I'm starting to play. I have the nice colors from my tomatoes, and my avocado creme brings out that green. It looks so good, I want to eat it.
I was a little nervous about it melting all the way, so I took a torch and burnt the top of each one of the cheeses.
When I'm looking at my dish, I'm going, I got it in the bag. I'm gonna win this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working.
Booyah! Yeah!
First up will be Chef Christina.
Hi guys. All right, so for today I have a Mexican-inspired hot dog for you.
Next up is Chef Wildman, Chef Daniel.
Hello, judges. I make sausage back at home. I make all types of sausages and hot dogs. That's from scratch. It's bacon, cheddar, lamb, and beef.
Next up, Chef Shane. What do you got for us, bud?
Today I got for the judges a char dog. It's a chili cheese char dog with cilantro dusted home fries and a little spicy ranch sauce on the side.
A lot of creativity, a lot of energy. Very difficult decision for the judges. But unfortunately, one of you has to check out. Daniel. Chef Christina, Chef Shane, congratulations. So for your next challenge, you'll be making your best, and get this, best rice dish. So it's open to your interpretation. Now, I love risotto. I imagine you do. Fried rice, rice pilaf. I mean, it could go anywhere. We like to call this game Grocery List because you have to shop and include all of the ingredients in this list. So we're talking about any kind of rice, a box of stock, any bell pepper, any protein, any alcohol, something spicy, and scallions. There we go. There's your list. You can buy anything else you want, but it has to have these key 7. Feel good about that?
Oh yeah, baby.
Yep, got it.
You have 35 minutes to shop and cook. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Being from New Orleans, Louisiana, the first thing that comes to mind is jambalaya. I've made it for tens of thousands of people. I've cooked it for family. I've made jambalaya several bazillion times. The list says protein. So I grab andouille sausage, shrimp, and chicken thighs. Those are the proteins that go into traditional New Orleans jambalaya.
I decide I want to use shrimp as my protein right when I see my grocery list. I'm gonna make a tequila lime shrimp rice dish, stir-fried vegetables. I work with Asian flavors a lot. People always use wine, so I wanted to give it my own twist, so that's why I used tequila. I feel really confident. I think I'm gonna win this round.
35 seconds.
I start flicking my shrimps down. It's insane.
The time is running out. I have to get everything on the plate and make it look as good as I can.
15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. Wow. Wow. Chef Shane, you're up first. Please tell the judges what they're having.
I got you traditional Louisiana jambalaya.
Chef Christina, you're next.
So what I have for you guys here is a tequila lime shrimp.
You both battled hard. Unfortunately, one of you is going to be leaving. The chef that will be staying with us will be Chef Shane. There's a list of 10 items. You have 2 minutes to find as many items as possible. Each item you put in the basket is worth $2,000.
Nice.
You grab all 10 items before the 2 minutes is up, you'll win $20,000.
I'm playing this game for money, but where the money would go would be my children. So I'm definitely thinking about my kids.
And we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, go get him! He's off! There we go, there we go.
I knew the jam was right off to the left as soon as he started me off.
Strawberry.
Are you serious? I cannot find the flippin' strawberry jam. Every second counts in this game.
Strawberry jam.
frozen meal.
Looking for a frozen meal. Canned salmon's up. 19 seconds.
Salmon.
Canned salmon, there you go. 10 seconds left. Last thing, sour cream, onion, potato chips.
I know where the potato chips are.
5, 4,
So I start running down the aisle.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Oh, good job, man.
Oh. All right, nope. Chips don't make it, homie. So close. 18,000 bucks. Listen, I got to tell you something. You're a great guy, and you deserve the $18,000.
Thank you.
My brother, awesome job.
Thank you.
Give it up for Shane.